Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your iPhone supports Esim and that iOS is up to date. This avoids activation issues later. Next, gather ID, a valid payment method, and a stable Wi-Fi connection so purchases and downloads complete smoothly. Decide whether you want a traditional carrier Esim plan or a prepaid Esim from an app. Look at data allotment and roaming fees. Once done, open the carrier's app or the Esim provider site and start the purchase flow immediately. You choose a plan and confirm details, pick duration and data, then add roaming only if needed to avoid hidden costs. Provide your personal info exactly as on your ID because carriers validate identity for provisioning. After payment, the provider usually delivers a QR code, activation code, or automatic remote provisioning link via email. Keep that message open. Make sure to follow on-screen timing instructions because some activation codes expire. If using a carrier app, allow it to install the Esim profile directly. You install the Esim by opening Settings, tapping Cellular, then add Cellular Plan, scan the QR or type the code, or let the carrier app finish provisioning. Once installed, label the new plan and choose which line is primary for voice and which for data. This prevents billing or routing mistakes. Verify by turning cellular on and browsing. Check signal and data speed. If something goes wrong, toggle airplane mode, restart your iPhone, and if still failing, contact the provider with your order ID for fast troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.